Common factoring any polynomial. The first problem A, 12x plus 18x to the power of 4 minus 24x to the power of 3. Step 1. Find the common factor within the three numbers, variables and exponents. For exponents, use the smallest, in this case, 3. Use the common factor and divide the original equation by it. In this case, the common factor is 6x to the power of 3. So you get 12x to the power of 5 plus 18x to the power of 4 minus 24x to the power of 3 divided 6x to the power of 3, which gives you 2x to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 4. Step 3. Make sure you divided each number in the equation by 6x to the power of 3. Step 4. Write the new equation inside the parentheses, this meaning inside parentheses 2x to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 4 close parentheses, and add the common factor outside up for the full answer, 6x to the power of 3, and the answer we gave before. Grouping. Important facts of grouping. 4-term polynomials. Looking for two parentheses that are exactly the same. Example A. 2ax minus 6ay plus 5x minus 15y. Step 1. Group up the 4 terms into groups of 2. 2ax minus 6ay and 5x minus 15y. Step 2. Find the common factor of each grouping. 2ax minus 6ay equals 2a. 5x minus 15y equals 5. Step 3. Divide each group by their common factors. 2ax minus 6ay divided 2. This equals x minus 3y. Then 5x minus 15y divided 5 equals x minus 3y. Step 4. Make sure both answers are the same. Enter parentheses x minus 3y close parentheses, open parentheses x minus 3y close parentheses. Step 5. Write the full answer by combining the common factor into a parentheses and add the answer found. Open parentheses x minus 3y close parentheses, open parentheses 2a plus 5 close parentheses. Trinomials when a equals 1. Example A. X to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 12. Step 1. Find the two factors of C that added give you B. X to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 12. Get the 12 out. Divide the 12 by negative 2, which equals negative 6. Negative 6 and negative 2 give you negative 8. Step 2. Put the factors into parentheses by using x to the power of 2 and split it into x plus something and x plus something inside parentheses to state the answer. So the final answer would be open parentheses x minus 2 close parentheses, open parentheses x minus 6 close parentheses. Trinomials when a is greater than 1. Example A. 10y to the power of 2 plus 27y plus 5. Step 1. Multiply a times c and replace c with the answer. 10 times 5 equals 50. Now replace it into the answer, meaning 10y to the power of 2 plus 27y plus 50. Step 2. Find the two factors of c that added give you b. 50 divided by 2 equals 25. 25 and 2 give you 27. Put the two factors into parentheses by using 10y to the power of 2 and split it into 10y plus something and 10y plus something. This will give you open parentheses 10y plus 2 close parentheses, open parentheses 10y plus 25 close parentheses. Step 4. Divide the two remaining parentheses by the multiples of a. 10y plus 2 divided 2 equals 5y plus 1. 10y plus 25 divided 5 equals 2y plus 5. Step 5. Write the answer in the parentheses. Open parentheses 5y plus 1 close parentheses, open parentheses 2y plus 5 close parentheses. Difference of squares. Important text. Binomials only have two terms, only with subtraction. Example A. A to the power of 2 minus 100. Step 1. Find both factors' square roots. A to the power of 2's square root is a. 100's square root is 10. Step 2. Set both square roots into a parenthesis to form the answer. The answer would be open parentheses, a minus 10, close parentheses, open parentheses, a plus 10, close parentheses. Difference of cubes. Important rules. Remember, there's an addition equation and a subtraction equation. A. X to the power of 3 plus 125. Step 1. Find the cubic root of the equation. X to the power of 3 plus 125 equals x plus 5. And step 2. Plug x plus 5 into an equation for addition for final answer. Open parentheses, x plus 5, close parentheses. Open parentheses, x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 25, close parentheses.